So how can you earn over six figures this upcoming summer and possibly every other month? What's going on, guys? Shri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can be earning a handful of money this upcoming summer and possibly every other month with this specific strategy that I'm about to hand out. And you can use this specific guide to not only earn a lot of money this summer, but hopefully earn over six figures every month, because I'll be showing you guys exactly how I decide what to sell and what not to sell. So like always, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. We're growing extremely fast, and hit that like button as well if this video does help you in any way. This content is very solid and I'm sure you'll not see this anywhere else, so to stay updated, be sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and let's jump right into it. So this relates back to actually when I used to dropship on eBay. And I used to use this exact strategy on eBay because it allowed me to decide what to sell in each given month or each given holiday season. And I was able to generate a lot of sales through this strategy. And this strategy is simply listing by the month you're in. So what I mean by this is right now we're in April. Oh, let me turn off the bold and underline. Okay, so we're in April right now. What do you guys think should be getting sold in April? So if you don't know, a lot of the students here in the United States are getting ready to have prom next month. And this is a prime time to be selling prom dresses because so many people are searching for the prom dresses, etc. And this is exactly what I mean by drop shipping by the month. So for April, we would be selling prom dresses or wedding dresses, whatever is coming up in the next few months or it's coming up this month. So slash wedding dresses. And this relates to you much better if you have a general store, or if you don't even have a store at all. You can possibly go into a specific niche with this strategy. But what you should be aiming at doing is selling by the month, drop shipping by the month. And as you guys know, summer is coming up. So in the summer, it's a prime time to be earning over $100,000 a month because people are getting ready to travel, they're getting ready to have fun at the beach. There are so many opportunities for you to sell specific items related to summer, because it would not logically make sense to sell, let's say, hoodies in summer, right? So that's why we have to drop ship by the month. In the summer, we would want to be selling swimsuits or t-shirts or shorts, etc. You want to adapt to the months and sell based on the months. So in the summer, sell what people like to do in the summer or wear in the summer. So sell items related to the month. So for summer, it would be shorts, swimsuits, etc. And if you scroll down, as you can see, I have actually written down all of these things. And I used to follow this exact strategy back when I used to sell on eBay. And although this guide is written for eBay, you can most definitely use this for Shopify as well and earn a lot of profits from it. And the link to download this guide will be in the description below. But basically, it outlines what you should be selling each month. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see in April, which is right now, it's a big month for sales. Prom, homecoming, and tons of weddings are coming up. And some of these things relate to eBay, such as this one right here. Check the completed listings for dresses you want to sell and go $2 to $10 under their listed price. This is referring to eBay. But what you can do is you can still somewhat use this strategy. You can still sell the items that are listed here, but you can disregard these things that are written specifically for eBay. But this is a very good guide to know exactly what you should be selling each month. And as you can see, in May, you have to continue selling prom, homecoming, but increase wedding a bit. And in June, summer is here, right? So you want to add more summer stuff. So this is a very comprehensive guide to specific items that you should be listing each month. And I found tons and tons of profit from using this strategy all this time. It has the guide for all of the months as well. So you can basically just go along and see what works for you and what doesn't. So if you have a niche store, you may want to, if let's say you have a niche store related to Halloween only. So as you can see, in September, Halloween outfits are a big seller. So this guide will let you know when exactly what category of items are going to be popular, so you can prepare for that. And it gives you a specific guide as to how to do it successfully, such as keep your pricing at least $2 less than the others. So once again, the link to download this file will be down in the description below, and make sure you use it whenever you want to list items on your store or you're out of ideas as to what to list. This is the perfect way to start listing profitable items on your store, and combine with my other tutorials such as how to find winning products and how to make Facebook ads, which you can find on my channel. I guarantee that you will make a lot of money in the next months to come. So I hope this was helpful for you all, and if you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you next time.